We start with the alphabet because reading is the first door into the language. In this part, we will look at the basic German letters. The German alphabet has 26 basic letters. These are the same letters you already know from English. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. So the letters look familiar. That is good news. But here is the important point. Some German letters do not sound exactly like English letters. The shape is the same, but the sound can be different. That is why, from the beginning, we train both, your eyes and your ears. When you learn German, do not only look at the word. Listen to the sound, too. This will help you read more clearly later. Now let's look at one very helpful idea. German is often pronounced as it is written. This means when you see a German word, you can often read it in a clear and direct way. Let's try some easy words. Die Mama. Die Mama means mom. Der Name. Der Name means name. Die Banane. Die Banane means banana. Die Lampe. Die Lampe means lamp. These words are simple. You can see the letters and you can hear the sounds clearly. This is very useful for beginners. But remember, do not rush. Read slowly. Give every letter its space. German likes clear pronunciation, so when you read, keep it slow, clear, and simple. Now we need to look at 4 important letters. These letters are easy to see, but beginners often read them the English way. The first letter is V. In German, V sounds like V. For example, das Wasser. Das Wasser means water. Listen again. Das Wasser. The next letter is V. In many German words, V sounds like F. For example, der Vater. Der Vater means father. Listen again. Der Vater. Now look at J. In German, J sounds like Y in English. For example, Ja. Ja means yes. And finally, we have Set. In German, Set sounds like T-S. For example, die Zeit. Die Zeit means time. So remember, V sounds like V, V often sounds like F, J sounds like Y, and Z sounds like T-S. Reading practice. I will say a German word, listen first, then repeat it slowly. Hallo. Hallo means hello. Der Name. Der Name means name. Das Wasser. Das Wasser means water. Der Vater. Der Vater means father. Ja. Ja means yes. Die Zeit. Die Zeit means time. Der Bus. Der Bus means bus. Very good. Now you know the German alphabet and you have learned some basic reading rules. You also know that some German letters sound different from English. That is a strong start. And now that we have opened the first door into German reading, we are ready to continue with the special German sounds. Ä, Ö, Ü, SZ, CH, and SC. So let's move on slowly and clearly. Now that we know the basic German alphabet, let's continue with some special German sounds. These sounds are very important because they appear in many simple German words. In this part, we will look at ä, ö, u, sz, ch, sch, sp, st, ei, ie, eu, and eu. Some of these letters may look familiar, but the sound can be very different. So today, we will not rush. We will listen slowly. We will read carefully, and we will connect each sound with simple German examples. Remember, good pronunciation does not start with speaking fast. It starts with listening well. So keep your ears open, and let's continue with the special sounds of German. First, let's look at the 3 umlauts. In German, we have ä, ö, and ü. They look like normal letters, but with 2 small dots on top. These 2 dots change the sound. The first one is ä. You can hear it in the word Mädchen. Mädchen means girl. You can also hear it in Bär. Bär means bear. Now listen to ö. This sound is very German. You hear it in schön. Schön means beautiful, and you hear it in Öl. Öl means oil. Now we have ü. You hear it in Tür. Tür means door, and in fünf. Fünf means 5. So remember, ä, ö, and ü are not decoration. They change the sound of the